Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kat. Today I have a first impressions swatch video for you guys of the new Juvia's place. I almost said Juvia's Planet. Freaking Rich Lux calls it Juvia's Planet. So every time I hear Juvia's Place or say it now, I almost catch myself in saying Juvia's Planet. So, yeah, we are going to do swatches and I'll break down price per gram and stuff like that for you. And as always, Juvia's Place is very affordable. I paid 17 excuse me. I paid $17.50. I'm getting over a cold. So my voice might sound a little scratchy or I might sound a little congested. So if I do, I apologize. But yeah, like I was saying, the palette is very affordable. It's on sale right now for $17.50, and there are codes all over the internet for 10% off the palette. So, $17.50, and then with the 10% off, it was $15.25, I think, and then I paid $3.50 in shipping. So really not bad. I think in total I would have paid what the price of the palette would have been without shipping. So with shipping, the discount code and the sale price, I paid less than what it would have cost to buy the palette at the regular price without the discount code. But their palettes are very affordable, so it wouldn't have been a lot of money anyways. The sale price right now is $17.50, and the normal price is $21.50. So you get 9 colors in the palette. This is the artwork. I believe the Magic palette has the same artwork like this. And you get total net weight 32.4 grams of product or 1.14 ounces of product, and Juvia's Place is cruelty free. They are based in Secaucus, New Jersey, and they are designed and formulated in the USA and manufactured in PRC, which is People's Republic of China. So it says on the back, the festival palette is a gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold, daring, and mystic trances, a fetish party complemented by exuberant colors. The festival eyeshadow palette consists of 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows. And Juvia's Place, they are a black-owned company, so their shadows are always pigmented, show up on the lightest of light to the darkest of dark skin tones, which I think is awesome. And a little side note, I'm loving my little crop top I got. It says feline fine. When I'm filming this on Saturday, it is National Cat Day, so I do own 2 cats. They are my babies, so I'm representing my cats on my shirt. So, yeah, let's get back into the palette. Expiration 12 months on this, and let me show you what the beautiful colors in this looks like. So it is a 9-pan palette. You are getting 4 mattes. This is a matte, 4 shimmers. This is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, this is a shimmer, and then you are getting 5 mattes. So these 2 on the ends are matte, and then this whole row is mattes. And these are a mix of neon colors, some pastels, and some very beautiful metallic colors. And I can't pronounce the names of these. I'm just going to show you them and the swatches. So this is the first row, and I am going to go from this order to this order. So it looks like the last color is a dark true red. You have a very shiny metallic silver, and then this looks like a kind of coral red. And let me swatch those. Very pigmented. That is what they look like. Then, where is my little napkin? Okay. Then the next row, the middle row, that is all mattes, and I am going to go from this direction again, and that is the names of them. I do not want to butcher them, so that's why I'm not pronouncing them. These are very beautiful pigmented eyeshadows. Some of these neon colors can stain your eyes even if you use a base, but it's nothing the end of the world. It goes away after you use some oil or micellar water or something. So here is the middle row of colors. I love that pink. And then the last row is all metallics. And this is one swipe around, no primer on my arm. That is the bottom row. And that is the names. And then on the fingers, that's what they look like swatched. And then on my arm. So that is the black charcoal color. And then right here you have that beautiful aqua, and then that very light kind of goldy copper color. So the colors are very pretty. If you're not into bold colors, I do not think you will like this eyeshadow palette. This is definitely a palette for people who like bold colors and like are sick of all of these sweet stinky peach palettes that are coming out and repackaging of palettes that we already have. So I really do like Juvia's place that they step outside the box. They always have color and really interesting color combinations when they come out with their palettes. I just saw on Trend Mood that they're coming out with a Warrior 1 and a Warrior 2 eyeshadow palette, so I'm looking very forward to that. Very excited about the liquid lipsticks coming. And now let me just break down what the price per gram and everything is. So, the palette, this is, I'm going by the price of $17.50. So, what I bought it at, I'm not doing it at the $21.50 price. So, okay, so you get 32.4 grams or 1.14 ounces. So, that comes out to, per pan, you would be spending $1.94 per pan. I think that is amazing for a pan that is that big. Or 0.126 ounces per pan. Then the price, the wholesale price is 0.54 cents per gram, or for ounces it is $15.35. So this is a very affordable palette, and I don't know how they managed to keep the quality so amazingly good, the shadow so amazingly pigmented, and that the prices are so reasonable. Like, I would rather spend the $17.50 for this versus like I'm trying to think of a recent drugstore flop that I bought, and I don't like the Revlon, not that bright eyeshadow palette that I hauled a week ago, but like the neutral ones. Those I think were about the same price, and you got less product, and no, you got more product, but it wasn't pigmented. It was the same boring colors, and there was nothing special about it. That's the total opposite of Juvia's Place. So I think you guys, if you really like bright colors, if you want to support indie companies that don't charge a lot of money, that are local, I say go to Juvia's Place. They have a ton of palettes, different color schemes. They have brushes. They have liquid lipsticks out now. They have, I just said blush palettes. They have eyeshadow palettes. They have eyeshadow singles you can buy. And yeah, they're great. And their shipping is really good. I ordered on the day after Valentine's Day when it went live. They shipped it out 3 hours after I placed my order, and I got my order yesterday. So their shipping is amazingly fast. I have nothing negative or bad to say about Juvia's Place, their customer service, or anything. I do know that there has been some buzz about bad customer service and stuff, but like I said, I have never personally had a bad or negative experience with Juvia's Place, and I really like to support minority-owned businesses, especially, I think they're female-owned, so especially female-owned, minority-owned businesses, I really like to support. And I really like that they have made their products so affordable, and the shipping is not insane. So I love Juvia's Place, and I could go on and on and on for days about how amazing they are. But definitely, guys, pick up the festival palette. Are you going to pick it up? What do you think about it? Let me guys know in the comments below, and I will be back with another video very soon. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.